In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use fonts on Squarespace. Fonts do more than decorate your site. They set the tone for your brand, guide your visitors' attention, and make your content easier to read. In just a few clicks, you can refresh the entire look and feel of your website. Let's walk through it together so you know exactly where to go and what each option means. First, open your Squarespace dashboard and look to the left side. Click Website. This takes you into the site editor, where you can make visual changes and instantly see how they appear on your pages. Once you're in the editor, move your eyes to the top right corner. You'll see a small paintbrush icon. Click that. This opens the style controls so you can customize the overall look, including fonts. Inside the Style panel, find and select Fonts. This is the central place where you'll manage typography across your entire site. You'll notice two main approaches. The first is to choose a font pack. Font packs are professionally paired typefaces that work together out of the box. They're a fast, reliable way to get a polished, consistent result with headings, paragraphs, and buttons already coordinated. If you want a cohesive look in seconds, a pack is a great starting point. If you prefer more control, you can assign fonts to each style yourself. You'll see categories like headings, paragraphs, and buttons. Headings are your titles and section labels. They set hierarchy and should be bold, clear, and attention-grabbing. Paragraphs are your main body text. Keep them highly readable, typically with a simpler typeface. Buttons need to be legible at a glance, so choose a weight and style that stands out without overwhelming the page. Within each style, you can pick the font family and weight, and Squarespace applies your choices consistently across the site. As you experiment, watch how the preview updates in real time. This makes it easy to compare a clean sans serif for body copy with a more expressive serif or display font for headings. Aim for contrast between headings and paragraphs so visitors can scan quickly, but keep the overall vibe consistent with your brand. If you're unsure, start with a font pack and then fine-tune individual styles until everything feels balanced. That's all you need to do. By clicking Website on the left, tapping the paintbrush icon at the top right, selecting fonts, and choosing either a font pack or your own assignments for headings, paragraphs, and buttons, you'll give your site a professional typographic foundation in minutes.